How you doing, guys? This is me with Nice and Auto Sales, located in Portland, Ohio. Today we'll bring you a 2001 Chevy Express 1500. This is a conversion van. This unit came out of North Carolina, a county sheriff's office. It was used as a fleet unit, taken care of every 3,000 miles. Maintenance records are available upon request. It has a 5.7-liter V8. In this video, we're going to walk around, show you the exterior and then the interior. Being that this vehicle came out of North Carolina, it's rust free, it's very clean, it's got new tires on it, matching tires all around. There is no rust. Just to let you guys know, it rained all day today. I got this car yesterday. I cleaned it from inside. I have not washed it on the outside. So this is dirty, but it still looks good. This is probably the fastest selling color from all vehicles that I've sold. Let's walk back. It does have the normal wear and tear as expected. The glue here is a little worn. So I mean, these things here, you can, every vehicle at this age, you know what I'm saying, it has wear and tear. All factory options work, lights, everything works. This, just let me tell you, this was not used as a police car. It might have been used as an unmarked unit. I mean, undercover operations, whatever it is. But there was no computers in there. There was no emergency lights in it. So there's no issues to be concerned about it when it comes to the wiring. It starts great. It runs great. No leaks, no issues. Mechanically sound. I'll start with the engine. The car is running. The van is running. It's a 5.7-liter V8. No leaks, no issues. And we'll go on the interior. Start with the driver's side. I gotta shut the engine because the sound is. It has 188,886 miles. There you go. Take a look inside. I'm gonna start opening all the doors. Let's see the headliner. Let's go on the. There's no numbers though. The doors are in great shape, you could tell. Let me unlock it first. Right. There is no rust, as you can tell. It's clean. It has the two front seats, and they got captain chairs, and then you have these two. It does come with DVD screen. Side doors they open nicely. They don't flap back and forth. The seats are very clean. The carpet is very clean. You can tell. I mean, this van was maintained every 3,000 miles. Mechanically on the side, I mean, it's not like torn apart, and it's not rough inside, so you can take a look inside now. Let's do the front door, passenger side. And when you're in this one side, take a peek on the back. The stereo system sounds great. It's got the Bose stereo system. Speakers work great. Cassette CD. This is basically old technology of 2001. But it's very comfortable. AC works. Heat works. This car is ready to go. My number is 773-255-9856. That's my cell phone. And my office number is 330 333-5931. At Mason Auto Sales, our inventory is strictly out of state. We specialize in passenger vans and other government and state-owned units, vehicles. Give us a call if you have any questions. Comment below. You could share your thoughts or questions, or you could just call us direct at the 2 numbers. I also will include a link so you could access our website at MasonAutoSalesLLC.com to view more pictures and information about each vehicle that we have. Like I said, this unit here has the maintenance records available. They released them to me, and anybody interested, I will be more than happy to answer any of the questions and show them the maintenance records. Aside from that, I hope you guys like this video. We have more vehicles coming, and I will try my best to keep up and keep you guys posted on everything new we have here. Until then, you guys be safe. Thank you so much.